Planning an apartment move in South Carolina, maybe in Columbia, Charleston, or Greenville? Apartment moves in the Palmetto State come with their own challenges: stairs, elevators, tight hallways. For a 1 to 2 bedroom apartment in South Carolina, movers often charge between $350 and $800, depending on factors like elevator access or stairs and how much help you need. Because movers are fully vetted, licensed, and background checked, you're paying for trust, not just labor. Since there's no deposit required to book, you can lock in a mover without prepaying large amounts. Most in-state apartment moves in South Carolina complete within 1 to 2 days, especially if the move is local. In metro areas like Columbia or Charleston, same-day service might be available, depending on mover capacity. Being flexible with move times, for instance, avoiding peak traffic or rush hours, helps your move go more smoothly. Label every box by room and contents. This makes unloading and unpacking faster and more organized. If your apartment has stairs or narrow hallways, disassemble bulky furniture beforehand. That gives movers more space to work. Prepare a first-night box with essentials, clothes, chargers, basic kitchen items, so you don't have to dig through every box right away. Declutter before your move. Sell, donate, or discard items you don't need. Less to move means less cost. Offer to pack yourself. If you take care of the smaller, lighter items, movers can focus on large or fragile ones. Book your move in advance and aim for weekdays or off-peak times when movers may charge less or be more available. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have questions or are preparing for your own move.